What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing another wash and go, but I am going to be using a setting mousse this time. So a lot of you have been talking about Aunt Jackie's mousse. Is pretty good, especially my girl Minx Kinks. She swears by this mousse, and so I got it. I think I picked this up at NaturalRaeRae, or I don't think it was TJ Maxx. It was either TJ Maxx or NaturalRaeRae or something like that. And it was, I believe it was around Black Friday. And so I want to give it a try today, but I also want to use the ice curl. So you guys know I love this gel. I'm almost out. It's about down to here. I hope it's enough to get through my head, but I am going to basically do a mousse and gel wash and go. I did one earlier with, I believe it was the pattern mousse, and I think I put a gel on top of it. I don't remember. I'll link it right here. I do so many videos, guys. I don't remember half the ones that I do. But I want to do it again today and see how these two work together, since they're from the same line, the grapeseed line. So yeah, want to try that. Let's see how it works. I've never used this before, so we're going to see. Now the ice curls I love it. And so far, whatever I've paired it with, it went great with. So I'm hoping it'll go great with its own mousse. I did, however, use the Aunt Jackie's Quench as my leave-in. So I do have a leave-in in my hair, and I'm hoping all three of these go together. So do want to let you know that I shampooed with the Oh So Clean by Aunt Jackie. So basically I'm trying to have an Aunt Jackie's day. However, I did not have a deep conditioner to this line, so I went on and used one of my She Scented deep conditioners, and it's one of the ones that I had in my to be used up. So it's downstairs. I just got a tad bit left. I thought I would use it up in this wash day, but I didn't. I got a little bit left because a little bit of that goes a long way. So that basically was my wash day. The Oh So Clean shampoo, the She Scented deep conditioner, and then the Quench leave-in. This leave-in is very thin, but I like it. I like how thin it is. It soaks into my hair. As you see, there's nothing sitting on my hair, and it also spreads really easily. And it made my hair feel soft and moisturized, although my hair was already moisturized, guys, because from that last wash and go I did with the lavender, Eden's lavender line, my hair was so moisturized. So it was still moisturized. Anyway, so this is my hair with just the leave-in on it. And so now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the mousse. And it is a foamy mousse, which is the texture that I like. I don't know how much to use, but I went in with just that one pump. And I'm going to apply it to my hair. Ooh. That looks like I can get a wash and go with just the mousse. So hopefully I won't need that much gel. So now I'm going to go in with just a little bit of gel and top it. And this gel is already a softer hold. It's not a hard hold. I mean, it has a hold, but it's not a hard hold like a Eco or a wet line. So I'm hoping that the mousse doesn't soften it too much, and this makes a great combination. So again, I'm gonna go in with the mousse. Took one pump. I love a foamy mousse like this versus the bubbly mousses. Yeah, this looks like it possibly could give me a wash and go on its own. It does say that it locks in a lightweight hold, so I may need to add some water to my ends because they're getting a little bit frizzy. So I have some water here. It's not warm, it's room temperature. I don't know if that's good or not, but I just want to wet them up just a little bit. I'm gonna start taking 2 pumps because my hair is getting a little longer and a little thicker up here. So I'm gonna go in with 2 pumps as I head to the top. Okay. Go in with a little bit of gel. Guys, I'm not taking much gel at all. I probably need to take more than what I'm taking, but I don't have a lot of it. So just taking what I got. Okay. All right, guys, so you see what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my hair and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I am on my last piece. It's a pretty big piece, but I'm ready to get it over with. So we're gonna go ahead and just get my 2 pumps. We're gonna do it all in one swoop. Make sure I'm covering every strand with the mousse. Clean some of this mousse off my hands. Alright guys, so did I put water on this? Because this section feels thicker for some reason. Okay. Alright, so my hair is completely styled. Okay. My hair is completely styled with the mousse and the gel. And this is what it's looking like. Empty, so that will go into my empties. My mousse is about right to here, so I don't think I used a lot. I still got a lot left. Guys, and it has a pleasant smell. I don't think I talked about the smell, but it's not anything that stands out. It's a pleasant smell. So I am going to go ahead and clean up my desk. I'm gonna sit under the dryer and I'll be back when it's dry and we'll talk about these 2 products, see if they worked well together, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am back from under the dryer and I had to use my tabletop because I don't know if I told you guys or not, but my other dryer broke again. No, so I just bought a new one. Since the last tabletop video, used that one, I think maybe 2 washes, and it broke. So it's packed up, ready to be sent back, and I just pulled out the tabletop again. So I think I'm just gonna stick with the tabletop for a while until I can find a really, really heavy duty standing dryer. So anyway, I got it done. So it's dry. So far it looks good. So far it looks good, but I am gonna go ahead and try to stretch it just so I can see how it stretches out, see if I get any flaking or anything. Put on a little bit of clothes, bare makeup because I'm not going anywhere special today that I know of. So I'm just gonna do just a little bit to even out my face and I'll be back, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am back and I stretched my hair and I will say that it still has a lot of hold and a lot of definition. It's soft, there is no crunch at all. So I do want to let you know that I did not get any flaking. I have on my black shirt. I don't see any flaking on my shirt. I didn't see any dusting. So it seems like, oh, here it is. These 2 are a good combination. My hair looks healthy. It looks like it has a little bit of shine to it. And again, the coils are coiling. I probably could have stretched it some more, got it a lot bigger, and I probably would still have a lot of coils, but I wanted to grow as the days go on, so I just did one stretch. So to me, these are affordable This works by itself. I haven't tried this by itself, but together they work well. I do want to, sorry guys, I do want to try the mousse alone, because when I was putting it in my hair, it did look like that I could get a pretty good wash and go with this alone by itself. So that is something that I do want to do. If you guys are interested and want to see that, leave it down in the comment section below, and make sure you hit the like button too, because that'll let me know that this content is something that you want to see. And yeah guys, I like it. My hair does not feel sticky or anything like that. It doesn't feel like it has any residue on it. I will definitely let you know how it lasts. Okay guys, just popping in to show you my third day hair using the Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls and the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Patrol Mousse. So I use these two together to get this wash and go, and this is my third day hair. So I did not stretch it out yesterday. I have not stretched it today. All I did was took off my bonnet and fluffed it out. So, and this is what it's looking like. It did not frizz. My hair is kind of flipping up on the sides, and that's because when I slept, I pulled it back and had it in a scrunchie, and then I put my bonnet on. So that's how I slept, and then I took that off and just fluffed it like so. So it's still flipped up a little bit, but it will drop as the day goes on. So I'm not really concerned about it, and I'm not gonna spritz it to try to get it to fall quicker. It's not necessary for me. If that's something that you wanna do, you can, but that's basically what I did last night, because I was just lazy and didn't feel like getting up and putting my scarf on or whatever. I just threw that scrunchie on and that bonnet and went to bed. So yeah, so this is my third day hair. I think it's lasting. I think it still has some shine to it and healthy look to it. I mean, it's not overly shiny, but it definitely has a healthy look to it. So yeah, I'm not gonna do a whole lot of stretching because I don't need it really bigger than what it is. And I'm just gonna let it get bigger throughout the day. So this is third day hair. I definitely can get fourth day and fifth day hair out of this if I wanted to, because I don't really like to go over 4 or 5 days, because that's when you start getting more tangles and, you know, single strand knots and all that kind of stuff. I don't like to go that long, but I definitely could, just based on how it looks and how it feels. It's very soft, no crunch, but you can definitely feel the hold. It has movement. I love it. It's framing my face nicely, so that's fine. So I don't know, I might go a couple more days, but I'll definitely leave a blurb if I can as far as how long it was, or I'll pin a comment in the comment section as far as how many days that I went with it if I go over 5 days. So yeah guys, that's it. Let me know what you think. Now back to the video. Right, I like this combination. I like this combination. Guys, don't sleep on Aunt Jackie's. I think some of y'all are sleeping on these affordable brands. Aunt Jackie's, Eden Body Works, things like that that you can find out and about on the ground, but are a little bit you know, less expensive than some of your higher end brands that I love, that I purchase from. But if you can't do that, if you don't want to order, if you're out and about and you want to go to a Target or a Sally or whatever, then I don't think that these are bad products to get you, you know, a wash and go that would last you. So that's just my opinion on it. So anyway guys, yeah, this is it. Let me know what you think. Have you tried these two products together? Have you tried them separately? Let me know how you feel about them. Let me know what you pair them with. Give me your favorite combos using these products in the comment section below, so we all can learn from your experience. If you like this wash and go and you think it looks good, let me know that down in the comment section below as well. Make sure that you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure that you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my next upload. And until next time, thanks for watching guys. Bye.